Is it legal to install Linux on Xbox One?
Hello, all tech enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into a particularly intriguing question. Is it legal to install Linux on an Xbox One? It's a question that delves into the complex world of software rights, hardware modifications, and user freedoms.
What is Linux and why would you want it on your Xbox One?
Let's start from the basics. Linux is an open-source operating system that's very popular among developers and power users due to its flexibility, security, and customization capabilities. Some Xbox One users might be interested in installing Linux to turn their consoles into fully functional computers, unlock advanced functionalities, or to run software that isn't normally available on the Xbox system.
Is installing Linux on an Xbox One legal?
Here comes the main crux of the matter. The legality of installing Linux on an Xbox One is a gray area that depends on the laws of the country you live in. In the United States, for instance, modifying consoles is generally considered legal under fair use doctrine. However, there might be legal implications if you use the modification to circumvent digital rights management, DRM, or to play pirated games, which would infringe upon copyright laws.
What about the warranty?
Even if installing Linux on your Xbox One is legally permissible, it's important to remember that doing so will almost certainly void your warranty with Microsoft. Most companies, including Microsoft, have policies stating that any tampering or unauthorized modifications to their hardware will void the warranty.
Can Microsoft ban my account?
While it's unlikely that Microsoft would take legal action against an individual user for installing Linux on their own Xbox One, they do reserve the right to ban your Xbox Live account for violating their terms of service, which include not tampering with their software or hardware. This means you could potentially lose access to any purchased games or online services. In conclusion, while installing Linux on an Xbox One isn't explicitly illegal, it can lead to voiding your warranty and potential repercussions with your Xbox Live account. It's always important to understand the potential consequences before undertaking such modifications. If you're eager to explore Linux, we recommend using a personal computer where such software is meant to operate, ensuring you won't run into any legal or warranty issues. Thanks for watching, and remember to always stay curious and informed.